In this video, we will solve a problem on how to find the value of a multiplier with an example. The question is like this. In an economy, marginal propensity to consume is being given as 0.75, marginal propensity to import is 0.1, and tax rate is 20%. Then the value of multiplier is, the options are 2, 3.33, 0.5, and 1. We need to find out the value of multiplier, okay? So, before we actually find out the value of multiplier, let us first derive the multiplier in this question. Okay, so we know our total income is equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure plus x minus m, that means net exports. Okay, so exports minus imports. In the question given, what we are being given, we are being given marginal propensity to consume is equal to 0.75, marginal propensity to import is being given as 0.1, and tax rate, what we call the marginal tax rate, also is being given as, let's denote it by t is equal to 20%, and I can write 20% as 0.2 when I convert percentage into decimals. Okay, now let's first derive this multiplier. Okay, so our total income will be equal to, now what is consumption function? Consumption function is simply a, which denotes the autonomous consumption, plus by y subscript d. So this is our consumption function. It simply says that our consumption is a function of income, and a is our autonomous consumption when we have zero level of income. Okay, here b is our marginal propensity to consume. Okay, this is our consumption function, plus investment is being given autonomous here. Okay, so let's denote it by I naught, because nothing is being talked about the investment here, plus government expenditure is not being shown here, so let's denote it by G naught, which is autonomous here, plus export sector is, it is same. Okay, so nothing, since nothing is being talked about the export here, so we write it as autonomous, minus, then we have the import. Okay, what is import function? Import is m is equal to, let's denote it by m small m times y. Okay, so this m denotes our marginal propensity to import. Its value is being given as 0.1. that means our import is a function of income, and this m simply denotes us, shows us how much our imports will increase when there is 1 unit increase in income. Okay, so in place of m I can write my. Okay, let's solve it further. So we can write it y is equal to a plus b. Now y subscript d, what is y subscript d? Y subscript d is simply disposable income, and we know disposable income is our income minus the tax that is being paid on this very income. So y minus ty. So in place of y subscript d, I can write y minus ty. Okay, plus we have this I naught plus G naught plus X naught minus my. Okay, we need to solve this equation for y. So let's write it like this. Y is equal to a plus, so b times y is by, minus b times ty is b ty, plus I naught plus G naught plus X naught minus m times y. Okay, so I can write it like this. Y is equal to, let's write these terms on same side. So we have, let me write this first. We have by minus bty minus my. Then I write these autonomous things, which is a plus I naught plus G naught plus X naught. Okay, and let's transpose these terms to RHS, sorry, LHS. So we have y minus by, this will become plus bty plus my will be equal to, and let us denote these terms by a. Okay, so a bar. Okay, so this is being shown by a bar here, so which will be equal to a bar. And let's take y common in this equation. So we have, if I take y common, I am left with 1 minus b plus bt plus m is equal to a bar. Okay, so let me write it here. We have y is equal to a bar upon 1 minus b plus bt plus m. Okay, and our multiplier, okay, so our multiplier, let's denote it by k, is equal to 1 upon 1 minus b plus bt plus m. Okay, this is our multiplier, what we also call the foreign trade multiplier in this case. Okay, let's give the variables their value. Okay, so we have b is our mpc, and that is being given as 0.75. Here it's also mpc, which is 0.75. t is our tax rate, marginal tax rate, which is 0.2, and m is our marginal propensity to import, and its value is also being given us here. So why did I write that? Yes, that's our mpi, which is 0.1. Okay, that means our k will be equal to 1 upon, okay, we can also write 1 minus b is actually 1 minus mpc, which is mps also. Okay, so I can write here 1 minus mpc is 0.75, 0.75. Then we have plus, okay, plus b is again 0.75, 0.75 times the tax rate, that is 0.2, 0.2 plus m, which is marginal propensity to import, which is 0.1. Okay, having said that, our k will be equal to 1 minus 0.75 comes out to be 0.25. Now 0.75 into 2, 0.2. So 0.75 into 2, let's do the calculation. 0.75 into 2, do I have the space here? I fear I don't have the space to do this calculation, so let's do it here. So 2 5s are 10, I can write it here. So we have 2 5s are 10, then we have 2 7s are 14, 15. Okay, so we have 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is 0.15. So let me write it here. This comes out to be 0.15 plus 0.1, which comes out to be 1 upon 0.25 plus 0.15 plus 0.1 comes out to be 0.5. That means 1 upon 0.25, 0.5 comes out to be it will come out to be 2, because 1 upon half gives us 2. That means the value of multiplier in this question will be equal to 2. Okay.